Hello to you all. Hope you are doing well. Staking is a common term in the cryptocurrency world. But what exactly is crypto staking? How can you make passive income staking your crypto? And where are the best coins and platforms to do this? We'll quickly get into it, but please be sure to smash that like and subscribe buttons if you can. Okay, let's get started. So down to specifics. What is staking? By staking your crypto assets, you bind yourself to a public blockchain and validate transactions. Certain cryptocurrencies use staking as a method of verifying transactions. A consensual method called proof of stake supports it all. People who already have a stake in a blockchain's currency are able to contribute blocks of transactions to the blockchain, an unbreakable string of blocks of transactions. The proof of stake mechanism is used by certain cryptocurrencies to process payments, rather of relying on the original proof of work method. This is much more power efficient. Proof of work involves a similar technique to add transactions to the chain known as mining, the usage of mining machines that can answer complex mathematical problems. So if you have any proof of stake crypto, you can earn coins in return for your stake. Staking could be a terrific method to earn passive money with your crypto, even more so if your coin offers a high rate of interest for staking. And many cryptocurrencies use staking to validate their transactions and reward users for their stake. Staking isn't available on all cryptocurrencies, as previously mentioned. You'll need a coin that uses proof of stake to verify transactions. Here are a few popular cryptocurrencies to consider investing in that use proof of stake, along with some very quick background information. CARDANO, or ADA. CARDANO is a cryptocurrency that is good for the environment. It was built on a foundation of peer-reviewed research and was further refined using only proven techniques. Solana, or SOL. Solana is an expandability blockchain that provides lightning-fast transactions at cheap costs. ETHEREUM, or ETH. Ethereum was the first cryptocurrency that had a customizable blockchain that developers could utilize to build apps. Originally, Ethereum relied on the proof-of-work algorithm, but it is now moving to a proof-of-stake one. And Polkadot, or DOT. Protocol connects and collaborates several blockchains. So be sure to first familiarize yourself with any proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies that have caught your attention. Get to know how they function, what benefits you get for stake, and the staking method for each one. Next, you'll be able to search for and purchase the cryptocurrency of your choice using cryptocurrency applications or exchanges. But before we get into exchanges, I want to talk about another way to stake crypto, which is joining a staking pool. Similar to a mining pool, a staking pool allows members to gain block rewards by pooling their resources. Typically, these pools have a two-tier structure, with an administrator supervising the operation of the verifiers and ensuring that everything runs as expected. Both pool operators and pool delegators divide prizes received. However, some pools also charge an admission fee or a membership fee. But staking pools are used by the majority of cryptocurrencies, despite the fact that staking can be done in a variety of ways. And to increase their chances of receiving staking rewards, crypto traders create staking pools and pool their cash together there. There are some things to keep an eye on though with the staking pool servers, and if you can, go with one that offers a 99.9% uptime. And many staking pools charge a tiny percentage of the staking earnings. Although the prices are quite reasonable, 2% to 5% is a typical range. However, it varies depending on the cryptocurrency. Small pools are much less likely to be picked for block validation, but when they are, they give bigger payouts since they do not have to share prizes as much. Really tiny pools are dangerous, because they can definitely fail, and the largest of pools may become oversaturated if the quantity of rewards they may receive is restricted in specific cryptos. Mid-sized pools are ideal for the majority of investors. So using your wallet, stake your coin to the pool you've chosen after you find it. Once you've done that, you'll be able to begin earning benefits. So Crypto.com is one I wanted to go over quickly as a platform that provides staking services. Since its inception in 2016, Crypto.com has grown to be one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, with millions of users. They provide straightforward and inexpensive exchange services for over 250 plus tokens, as well as a variety of other crypto-related items. They provide staking services through its crypto earn facility, but also digital asset loans, crypto debit and credit cards, and even the NFT markets. So when you deposit the digital tokens you want to use for loans, Crypto.com will distribute the cash to account users who need money. The end borrower will then pay you back, plus interest, which you will get on a daily basis in the form of a check. Pretty cool. But there are plenty to check out. You also have Accrue, and outside of the United States, this is one of the best places to stake your crypto. Kraken is a staking platform with high returns on your investment, and BlockFi seems to be one of the better platforms for staking stable coins. But there are many with low fees and flexible withdrawals. Staking your coins has its advantages. For one, it's an easy way to make returns on your crypto assets. And for crypto staking, you wouldn't need any of the equipment as you need for crypto mining. It's also better for our environment rather than cryptocurrency mining. And as a result of your efforts, the blockchain security and efficiency are better protected. Staking is a great way to earn extra cryptocurrency, and the interest rates could be really substantial. It can be an extremely lucrative investment strategy. The only thing you need to do is find a cryptocurrency that implements the proof of stake concept. Like everything else, crypto staking is not without risk. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, the price swings may be swift. If the price of the staked crypto plummets, the interest you collect on them may be outweighed by the loss. Also, for a certain amount of time, one may be required to stake your coins, and you can't use any of your staked assets during that time. On some platforms, a 7-day or longer unstaking time is possible when you want to remove your crypto from your wallet. But it's the biggest risk of coin staking that if the price falls, you should always be careful. If you find a cryptocurrency with a really high staking reward rate, keep some of the risks in mind. But it's a good idea to stake your crypto if you don't have any immediate plans to trade it. You don't have to put in any effort. Plus, you'll be rewarded with extra crypto as the outcome. Either way, it's worth taking a look at certain cryptos for staking if you're interested in making money. Always consider the merits of each cryptocurrency before deciding which one to invest in. But buying a crypto coin for staking only makes sense if you also consider it a sound investment for the long run. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you were able to learn something from this video, and would be much appreciated if you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already for more ways to make that crypto cash. Bye for now.